In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a risk register in Google Sheets on desktop. A risk register is a simple way to capture potential problems, who owns them, and how serious they might be, so you can stay ahead of issues before they happen. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. In the first row, set up your headers exactly as follows: Risk ID, description, impact, likelihood, and owner. These columns form the backbone of your register. Risk ID is a unique label for quick reference. You might use a simple sequence like 001, 002, and so on. Description should briefly explain what the risk is in plain language. Impact tells you how severe the effect would be if the risk happens, and likelihood tells you how probable it is. Owner is the person responsible for monitoring and responding to that risk. Now list each risk on its own new row. Keep one risk per line to avoid confusion. Write descriptions that are specific and actionable, such as vendor delay affecting delivery date, rather than something vague. For impact and likelihood, choose a consistent scale across your sheet. Many teams use numbers from 1 to 5, where 1 is minimal and 5 is critical for impact, and 1 is very unlikely, and 5 is very likely for likelihood. Consistency makes comparisons meaningful. If you want a quick way to prioritize, add a risk rating formula. Insert a new column to the right and label it Risk Rating. In the first cell of that column, multiply the impact by the likelihood. For example, if impact is in column C and likelihood is in column D, type equals C2 D2, press Enter, and then fill that formula down for all your rows. This gives you a simple score where higher numbers signal higher priority. To make high risks stand out at a glance, use colors and filters. Select the risk rating column, open Format, then Conditional Formatting, and set a rule that highlights higher numbers in bold colors, such as red for ratings above a threshold you choose. You can also add a color scale from green to red to visualize the range. Next, turn on filters from the toolbar so you can sort by risk rating from highest to lowest, or quickly view risks owned by a particular person. These visual cues and filters help you focus on what matters most. That's it. You now have a clean, functional risk register in Google Sheets that's easy to maintain and share.